Good morning, my brothers and sisters. So this is the wonderful part about having your own garden, having the luxury to be able to just come outside in the backyard, or if you have it in your front yard, and just grab whatever you need instead of running to the grocery store. Yesterday we had a pretty good rain, so I don't have to worry about watering this garden for at least a couple more days. But it's time for me to go ahead and start harvesting this stuff. If I don't, then of course the insects will do it before I do. Will get it before I will. And this is a lot of food, so it's going to take me a while to eat this, unless the insects share it with me. I say share it with me. It's not me sharing it with them. It's them sharing it with me, because they tend to get first dibs, given that they live outside. So anyway, especially kale, we have a lot of, especially chard, we have a lot of chard. I'm so much worried about eating the kale first, this kale here, and that kale. Why? It's because if I don't get it, they will. Check this out. Like, look at this leaf right here. See that leaf? Holes all in it? They got a hole to it already. Look at it. See all them little worms? Insects on the back of it? That leaf is done. So when you see that, you want to pluck that leaf out of your garden patch. And let me show you what I do with it. Bring this little leaf here that has all them little worms on it, and destroy this leaf. Reason why I call it, they lay eggs. They lay eggs on the leaf, and if you don't destroy it, if you think you can just take the worms off of it and it's good to go, nope. You have to just destroy it, because those eggs are hatched, and you have a greater problem. So put my foot on that leaf, just spin around, destroy the whole leaf. That's it. See that? She disintegrated. Destroy all those eggs. So whenever I see a nest, because that's what it is, a nest of worms on the back of a leaf, see, those are smaller baby worms. They get bigger by the day. So look for holes in the leaves, like this one here. See little small little worms? Yeah, they're feasting. So start destroying those leaves. Anything that has small little holes in it like that. And it appears that well, not appears. You can clearly look at it and tell that they like kale better than they like chard. Maybe because kale is more maybe because kale is more nutritious. It's early, you know. Kale is more nutritious than chard is. Maybe. Me personally, I like chard better, especially in its tender state. Young like that, it's very nice and tender. Now once it get big like that one over there, that's when it get kind of tough. But once you put it in a pot and steam it, it withers down, and you really can't tell the difference between the young, tender chard and the older, tougher chard. So yeah, let's go and get this leaf here too and destroy it. This is why I say you want to eat this as fast as possible. Let this be first, because if you don't, you come out here one day after about a week or less, and everything will be gone. Every single thing. That happened to me last year. Come out here, admiring my garden. all my hard labor. One day it looked so good, nice and beautiful. And just a few days later, I didn't have nothing but vines left. I mean, not vines, but branches. Nothing but branches left. And those worms went from being small like that to very large worms. So anyway, so I got some of this here, of course, which I noticed this is not as infested by insects or worms as the darker kale is. So some people say you can put pee on it, animal pee or human pee, and that'll help. I bet you will, as a natural, what do you call that? Insect, whatever. I forgot what they call these chemicals. But anyway, to keep the insects off, I'm gonna grab a couple of these leaves, the bigger ones, before they get too big. Give the small ones a little bit more time to grow. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna grab a few more of those leaves, and don't want to talk your ear off, but just wanted to show y'all how convenient it is to have your own garden, you know, as opposed to going to the store and spending a bunch of money on gas trying to get there, you know, on time trying to get there, and then a lot of money at that cash register. And I know right now, in this day and time, food prices is killing us. Anyway, have yourself a wonderful day. And I'll see y'all next time.